Yes.
Okay. So, nakikita niyo po, ang katabi ko ulit. Welcome back.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
Before po kami mag-chikahan ulit, magpapakilala po ulit kami.
Oh, sige.
Alright.
Yeah.
Wala din. Okay, I am AM Seco.
I'm Precious Pareño.
And welcome to...
This is or welcome to...
Welcome. Okay, I'm AM Seco.
I'm Precious Pareño and,
And welcome to
Putik Yan!
Ayan. So, ayun na nga. Oh, so, if I could remember, the last dating chikahan from this podcast was, ano to eh, before,
The BGC.
the BGC Art Month.
Yes.
BGC Art Month, last year po yun, 2025.
Yes.
So, yun po ang first appearance ni Precious publicly, right?
Yes, publicly. Since Kaneyama.
Kaniyama. So, kung babalikan niyo po yung ating podcast with Bashers, charot. Share lang. Yung babalikan po na,
Ikaw naman.
syempre, ganun talaga. So, tatawa ka na. So, kung babalikan po natin yung episode natin doon, Precious po ang pinaka-recent
Yes.
Filipino completed the Kaneyama training program.
Yes.
Okay? So, I just want to clarify din po, yung kay Precious po, when she completed the Kaneyama training program is at her own,
Pacing.
pacing at saka your decision na. Kasi di ba, just to let them know, the Kaneyama training program po kasi is initially, it's being hosted or it's a international linkage program po
Yes.
ng UP Ceramic Studio.
Oo.
So,
By recommendation
by
siya
recommendation siya
ng professors.
ng faculty coordinator of the UP
Faculty
Ceramic Studio.
coordinator. Yes.
So, ayun. And one of the objectives of this program is to help rebuild the pottery scene
in the Philippines. Yes.
And I think naman we are doing it right
Yeah,
now.
I think
Nagagawa
so.
naman natin siya.
Even the project that we're going to do now is really
yeah.
connected to this.
Oo.
Oo.
Na talagang we're helping out our community.
Yes.
And of course, yung
The industry of pottery in the Philippines.
stoneware actually,
Oo.
to be exact.
Yes.
Yeah.
Para mas lalo tayong makasabay sa international market din.
Yeah. Malaki siya kung pakikinggan nyo, medyo malaki
Oo.
siyang kumbaga task.
Yes,
But,
very.
Everything starts naman from a small.
Yes, we need to
So,
start talaga.
Yeah.
And
At kailangan natin mag-grow.
yes, and as well as allow ourselves to share the knowledge that we learn abroad, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman lahat is capable to go there or recommended to go there. There are just selected few of us
And
na.
we are very grateful
Oo,
na we had that kind of
of
training.
course. And in return, and one of them goes and the one, yung mga talagang tinatak sa ating utak is kailangan nating mag-share pagbalik natin ng
Yes.
Pilipinas. So,
That is one of the pledge of commitments actually. It's still very vivid in my mind.
that's true.
When I signed up for that,
Me
or
too.
when I agreed to that
Yes.
training program, my pledge of commitment is to really help
The Philippine
Philippine
industry.
industry.
Oo.
ng ceramics.
Ng ceramics talaga. Kasi kailangan makasabay tayo sa
Kahit pa paano kasi
international
we're
market.
too behind.
Yeah, we
We're
are
behind.
really behind. Kasi
Very behind.
while I was in Kaneyama, I met international artists like from Taiwan, from Korea, from Greece. Imagine.
All over the globe.
Oo, imagine na nung nandun ako sa Kaneyama, they were doing things already. Then tapos sa Philippines, gayon pa lang natin
I-explore.
i-introduce. Oo.
Parang reintroduction.
Oh, yes.
To say
Say.
in a,
Yeah.
parang, kumbaga,
Technically,
ah,
reintroduction.
reintroduction.
Pero
siya.
hindi
Re-emerging.
Kasi
kumbaga.
hindi natin napapractice siya dito ng religiously.
Na medyo matagal-tagal
Oo.
na timeline.
That's true.
So, ayun na nga. So, bakit po nandito ulit si Precious?
Oh, ba't nga
Magchichikan
ba?
lang tayo. Okay. So, what happened to Precious right after our BGC Art Month
Okay.
2025?
After BGC, so I think around December, I think, nagkaroon ako ng exhibition sa Afro. It's a group exhibition with other ceramic artists as well in Metro Manila. I think there are some from provinces as well that joined. So, from I don't know which part of it, but I think all over the Philippines. So, nagkaroon ng group exhibition sa Afro.
Yeah.
And I showcased my work from Japan. So, I bought some artwork from there. I fired my works in Japan using the very controversial Bizen, the Kanayama style, the very controversial like.
So, Bizen like dapat may gano'n.
Pero nakar sa Kanayama. So, ang haba ng description. So, yeah. Haba ng description.
Yun talaga yung diniscuss natin.
So, yun yung present ko doon, and it was so nice because parang yung audience is like, what's this? This is different. Like, or naririnig ko sila na kakaiba to, and how are
Which is actually true.
Oo.
The Bizen like.
The reason like Kanayama.
It's actually yung technique po kasi nito is nagli-lean into a way of firing.
Oo.
Firing techniques po
Firing
kasi ito.
talaga.
So, kaya kung mapapansin nyo, ang AMT Ceramics kasi, since ang training namin ni Precious, nila Jeza, nila Marco, ay, kumbaga, traditional Japanese ceramics.
Talaga, traditional.
And the Bizen-like technique is one of them.
Yes. It's
So,
just one of the Asian techniques.
Just one of them. And
Oo.
I'm very happy na nasi-share ko tong isa sa mga techniques na to as well here, even in creating.
Yes.
But for the firing, as of the moment, we are relying sa gas as our fuel. But yung proseso ko po, ini-integrate ko pa rin kung ano yung pangailangan ng technology at present. So, ganun naman kasi talagang
Kasi
pattern.
dahil nalaman natin yung way of traditional way, when we try to incorporate with the modern style, naiintindihan namin.
Mas madali rin kasi siyang i-execute.
Bakit nangyari to? So, parang alam
true.
na namin kung bakit nangyari. Yun yung part ng training ng Kanayama na sana one day,
Ma-share din natin.
ma-share natin na hindi lang siya bastang ipapasok lang sa kiln
True.
and lalabas na siya na luto.
Yes.
Meron siyang
Deeper
theory,
understanding,
may
deeper,
reading,
Something like
spiritual.
Uy, baka mabash na naman tayo.
Okay lang yun. No engagement.
Sabi mabash. Okay. Pero thank you po. Ibig sabihin kasi nakikinig sila.
Oo.
Nanonood din sila.
Oo.
And kailangan po natin ito na mga constructive criticism
Oo.
for us
Awareness.
to grow. Awareness.
Yes.
Kasi-
Ni-welcome ko yan. Actually, one lang sa sharing ko. When I first go to Ganayama 10 years ago, di ako ganyan. Like, I
Diba?
think na alam ko na lahat. Kasi maybe I
True.
was so young. Then when I get there, parang na-humble ako. So,
It will help you to be more grounded.
if you watch the previous interview, I stopped the program. I didn't finish it at first. Then the second time I was there, I was already dedicated what to learn. And you will only learn if you humble yourself talaga. As in talagang ibaba mo yung sarili mo. Wala akong alam, mangmang ako, teach me. Oo.
You have to let go kasi.
Hanggang ngayon, dinadala ko yun kasi paglapag ko ng Pilipinas, iba ang materials natin. Iba ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas ngayon. Medyo nagugulat din ako kasi ibang-iba yung nangyari sa Japan.
Diba? Kailangan mo talaga mag-adapt eh. Ang like yung mga nadidiscuss ko rin siguro sa mga students ko na alam mo yun, natuturuan ko, napapasahan ko ng learning. Ang pottery po kasi is talagang naka-integrate yan based from the geographic locations, even the culture.
Exactly.
How you live in a certain land, in a geographic location. What are the raw materials that is available immediately
in your area.
And that can actually affect your technique.
Exactly. That's true. So pagdating ko ng Pilipinas, talagang nag-adjust pa ako ng techniques ko. Kasi yung materials na on call ko lang sa Japan, di ko naman pwede ipadala dito.
True.
Kung awabutin tayo ilang milyon. So, nag-adjust ako sa materials na available dito sa Philippines. And I'm so happy to say na so far, nagsasucceed naman siya. Na,
Yes.
pero yung theories, yung mga practices na natutunan natin sa Kanayama,
Na-apply naman natin
yun
dito
yung ina-apply ko
Oo.
ngayon, natin dalawa,
Oo.
sa mga materialis na available sa
Or
atin
even
ngayon.
just sa mga co-trainees namin, like Marco,
Oo.
ni Jessel, makikita niyo rin po kasi sa influence how they have the execution made.
That's true,
Na
that's
talagang
true.
hindi somewhat, yun kasi yung identity natin, part of our identity
Oo.
as potters at ceramic artists. And I'm so glad that I'm sharing it with you guys.
Oo.
I mean, happy ako na nagagawa ko rin siya until now.
Oo.
Na yun, with the teachings that we do, you know, or
Practices,
passing
discipline. Oo.
So, ayun. So, before tayo pumunta dyan sa dive deep na naman tayo. Huwag tayo mag-dive deep pa ako ano masabi natin. So, ayun. Bakit po nandito ulit si Precious?
Bakit
so,
nga ba?
Yep. Pero before tayo talagang pag-usapan natin yung another collaboration po namin ni Precious, kamusta ka? Kamusta ka with this past few months?
Okay naman ako. I'm just taking it slow kasi alam mo naman ngarag tayo sa Japan
True.
for a very long time. Pero I finished my Kanayama training last year, September. So it's been more than 6 months already na medyo I'm taking it slow. So now, I am currently taking private classes for
It's good.
to teach, eto napapasok ko na, slip casting technique. So, for the first few months, as I've said earlier, I tried to adjust my technique in slip casting with the materials that are available here in the Philippines before I start teaching others. Kasi kailangan ko munang, hindi naman ako pwede magturo ng hindi ko alam yung nangyayari dito.
That's true.
So, for the first few months, na siguro baka tahimik lang ako sa social media ko, hindi ako masyado nagpo-post, I am experimenting actually with the materials that are available in the Philippines. And so far, I am confident to say that I can already teach.
May mga test na po kami at saka successfully done. So, makikita niyo po dito yung ibang materials natin, tapos yung mga
Actually,
results.
may na-post na akong isa. My very first student, and I'm very thankful that she called me, is Professor Rita. She's the professor that recommended us to Kanayama. So it's like a full circle event for me. Na before, she's the one teaching me. And when I return, I'm the one teaching her. So meron siyang project na hindi ko pwedeng sabihin, pero gumawa kami ng 5 pieces slip casting mode. And it's very advanced level. That one is very advanced.
So yan po ang ma-expect natin when it comes to experience learning through this kind of technique that we will introduce as part of our mid-year Pottery Essentials workshop ng AMT.
That's true.
So we will tap na po to slip casting, which we really promised to have in one of our lists of workshops 2 years ago. Kasi dapat magtuturo po ako ng slip casting. It's just that hindi pa time. So, I'm so happy na gagawin ko siya with Precious kasi I'm trained din po for slip casting. So actually lahat kami, even Jessel.
Even Jessel.
We're talagang dumaan sa slip casting department ng Kanayama.
Actually, nalaman ko rin na nagtuturo din pala sa UP ng slip casting. But for the students.
Yes, for the students.
So for those who are not student of
or enrolled,
now is your chance to learn this technique. Yes.
So saying that po, we'll have a break muna, Precious. Then we will have yung discussion, what is a slip casting? Ano yung i-expect natin sa workshop when we are, gonna introduce this one to AMT Ceramics, to a wider range of, additional learning po kasi to. So, sabihin din po namin ano yung requirements for joining the slip casting and some details ba na kailangan yung malaman in joining this class.
Yes, I'm excited for this, Alfred.
Me too.
Sobrang excited.
At saka kailan ito gagawin? So, ayun. So, that's why nandito si Precious with me.
Excited din ako for the next level of pottery here.
So, ayun. Me too. So, anyway, we'll get back to you in a
Mm.
bit. We'll take a break po muna, and like we promised, pag-uusapan po natin what is slip casting, what
Yes.
we're gonna expect, when this gonna happen, and
Okay.
all the details in it.
Let's
Okay,
go.
so
Okay.
bye for now.
Bye.
Gawa tayo ng something to the cash. So,
Kasi
ganun.
madami engagement.
Sinadya pala. Ano tayo? Hello. Ayan.
Gamitin natin lahat ng terms na nakakainis.
Hello. So, anyway. Ayan.
Again.
BTS natin yan. So, we're back.
Ganun na iyak.
Puro gagawa na naman. Sorry na sa word. So, ito na naman tayo. Okay. So, before we proceed po, so we'll dive to slip casting. Ano ba ang slip casting? Tapos,
Yes.
pero before that, pakilala ulit tayo. So, my name is AM Trejo.
My name is Precious Pareño.
And welcome back to
Putik yan. Kaya nakalimutan mo.
natin, di ba?
Kung ano kasi.
So anyway, so yan. So pag-uusapan po natin, what is slip casting?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Since we'll be introducing slip casting po as part of our mid-year pottery insightful
Yes.
workshop sa AMT Ceramics, mas maganda na mabigyan natin sila
Oo
ng
naman.
introduction.
Oo.
Ano ba yung slip casting?
Okay.
So, go.
Okay.
Precious.
Ang slip casting, matagal ng panahon na ginagamit na yan ng ibang bansa for mass production.
Yes.
Okay? So, if you're into production, like gusto mong for the restaurants, for the commercial purposes, slip casting is for you kasi it's you just produce one mold and you put clay inside, then you can reproduce a lot of pieces already.
Okay.
Yun.
So, ito naman yung sa part ko. Si Precious po kasi is matagal siya sa slip casting department
Yes.
ng Kaniyama. When I had my slip casting kasi, I was trained there for 3 months. Though, as part of my training kasi, when I asked Kamamoto what I want to learn, I told him, I want to learn everything. Kaya meron akong department. Even sa jiggering machine. Jiggering machine is 3 months din ako.
Iba din
Tapos
yun.
I have forever ako dun sa clay factory.
Yes.
And the firing, kaya po talagang AMT Ceramics is talaga ang strength ng studio is firing. Kasi I'm always the firing crew. Never na ako nawala sa firing crew ng kanina.
Kailan ba tayo nawala?
Yung ganyan. Even the kiln making.
Oo, kiln making.
Paggawa ng kiln po. So, we have experience, we have the knowledge as well of how the firing dynamics with different kinds of kilns in a wood technology, wood firing
technology. Yes.
So, kumbaga, dun kami sa talagang traditional way of firing.
Traditional way of firing talaga.
So, ayun. Sige. As for me kasi, ang slip casting, para natin maintindihan, ano ba yung slip? Diba? Ang slip po is the first stage of clay before po siya mapunta dun sa clay na ginagamit natin for hand building at saka wheel throwing. So, kumbaga po, yung slip pang, pag kinuha na po natin yan or minina po na natin yan, in-excavate na natin siya, pinaprocess po natin ito sa clay factory at hinihiwalay ang soil from the clay itself. So, basa po siya.
Yes.
Para siyang
liquefied
form.
Yes.
So, yun yung slip
Yes.
po. So, ito, napag-uusapan namin po ito ni Precious kasi nagpa-process po kami ng clay from scratch.
Yes.
So, ito is galing from the lake. So,
hukay doon.
Tapos, ihihiwalay po ang clay from the sand.
Dudurugin pa natin
Dudurugin
yun.
yan.
Tapos, isasala yung
Sasalain,
mga
impurities. And then, knowing Japan, they have the technology yung sa filter press.
Meron na sila.
May filter press tayo na actually maliit nga na scale lang yun. Yung sa filter press para po maalis natin yung tubig para maging siyang clay na ginagamit natin for wheel throwing, hand building. At na-adjust po natin ang clay hardness nito.
naki-adjust talaga yan.
So, kaya po dito sa ating gagawin na slip casting, meron po kaming requirement.
Oo.
So, madidiscuss po natin later on ano ang requirement before
Yes.
tayo
Makapag-enroll.
makapag-enroll for
So,
the slip casting.
yes.
So, ayun po. So, slip po, yun.
Mm-mm.
Kaya sinabi siya, slip
Casting.
casting. Ngayon, may casting.
Oo.
Ano yung casting?
Casting yung, sa artista.
Ay, naku, sanay na ako dyan. Nung
Oo.
kabataan ko,
Yung
lagi ako
casting
nasa
is
casting. So, kaya po makapal yung mukha ko. Kaya sanay po ako sa ganito.
Ganun din ako.
Ari na dyan.
Oo.
So, anyway,
Oo.
so,
Casting
ayun.
casting is the mold part. Yun na
kinakast natin
kinakast na natin yung mold. Kunyari,
yung form.
May gusto ka ng form. May gusto kang, kailangan ko tong ng 100 pieces, pare-parehas, ganyan. Doing it with will is possible naman. Nag-wheel drawing ka, okay naman yun. O kaya mag-hand building ka, okay naman yun. Yun nga lang, it takes you longer time. And the technique should be there. So, kung beginner ka, and you want to produce now already, you can make one form, then you can cast it, and then that's the time we use the slip to reproduce it. So
With the mold.
With the mold.
With the mold.
Para kahit papaano, makapag-produce ka ng marami, agad-agad. Hindi naman siya sa pandaraya or what, kasi yung technique na to,
It's actually an acceptable
Oo,
technique naman
acceptable
from
technique
ng
na
matagal
siya.
na. Kasi,
yes.
let's face the fact
Yes.
that sa technology natin, talagang when we reach to our industrial revolution, talagang reproduction siya.
Reproduction
Mass
talaga
production siya eh.
Mass
Para
production.
pumasok tayo sa industrialization.
Talaga, papasok
So,
talaga.
reproduction po yung slip casting. Kumbaga,
Yes.
we're gonna reproduce from the original.
Yes.
Kaya po, meron tayong molds.
Then,
So,
you can make multiple copies of that original form. Then, you can sell it na there and there. That is easier.
It's
as for
actually cost efficient.
Yes, very cost efficient. Sobra.
Even efficient. Yeah, cost efficient,
Yes.
cost effective din.
Yes, when I did the computations then, nang nag-aayos ako ng, nung nag-experiment ako, nung testing ko, nag-compute ako kung magkano ang magiging capital if I start production. And it is like 1/4 of the cost. Talaga.
So, ito po naman is, these are one of the options.
Yes.
One of the options po, how we can, tap to, reproduction.
Yes,
Or if you are
reproduction.
leaning into talagang selling.
Yes.
So, parang ganun. Madidiscuss po natin ito later on, what are the advantages.
There are a lot of
Ano yung
advantages.
advantages natin
Oo.
kapag natuto tayo sa slip casting.
Oo.
Tapos, ano yung pwede pa niyang mai-offer sa atin.
Oo.
So, kaya po, we want to introduce this is, I think it's about time
It
for
is.
us to,
We are late already.
to know a different technique
That's
naman. Kasi
true.
hindi lang naman siya hand building. Hindi
Hindi
naman siya
siya,
well throwing. And there are some people then that really want to, to explore paano na
Oo.
yung mass production.
Oo.
Di ba?
Gusto ko, meron nga ako nakausap ang ate ang mahal ng pottery, pero gusto kong kumita sa kanya. So, what should I do? Sabi ko, maybe you should explore in slip casting. Kasi,
Pero madami pa pong way,
madaming
Slip
way.
casting is
It's just one way.
just one of the ways.
Kasi ang for me lang, slip casting is kahit papano, she's a painter, okay? She's a painter by the way. So, magaling siyang siguro mag-mix ng glazes. So, and I told her, maybe the slip casting, the cup that you're going to make will be your canvas. Then you could explore your techniques in painting there. Then you can sell that. Sabi ko sa kanyang ganun. At least kahit paano, there are options for different kinds of talent. Kasi may mga tao talagang magaling sa glaze. And
These are po our recommendations.
Yes.
These are options, but it is not absolute po, to
it is not,
everyone.
it is not.
So please do not quote us on this.
Oh,
Kasi
no.
these are based from our experiences.
Experience lang, experience.
Na nagawa din namin.
Oo.
So, yun lang po, gusto din namin i-clarify. Baka mabash na naman kasi tayo.
Hindi ko na alam kung ano pwedeng sabihin.
Diba?
Lahat na lang
So,
yung filter.
anyway, so, yep.
Oo.
Dito po kasi sa slip casting, ang dami kasi nating pwedeng path.
Madami.
Madaming
Madami
path.
talaga.
At saka, minsan kasi maki-question din natin siya, paano yung reproduction niya, lalo na when it comes to art, or if it's just gonna be for consumer.
Consumer. No.
So, parang ganun kasi.
Na-explore ko siya yung range niya actually. I have samples if you check my Instagram. I use slip casting as my base form. Then the one that I exhibited last year sa Afro is from a slip casting as well. Tapos nag-attach ako ng maraming element to
So,
it.
meron na ring form of talagang nasa art rin siya. How are you gonna
And may
explore
mga international
integrating?
artists ngayon ang ginagawa. Na meron silang basic form and then nag-incorporate lang
Kasi
sila.
po, sa pottery kasi, mag-iisip po kasi tayo ng how it can be more cost-effective and efficient. And hindi, at some of these techniques naman talaga are really acceptable.
And it's available.
Oo, and it's available. So, ayun, meron kasing nagtanong sa akin. Ito, recent ano ko lang to Ang hirap din kasi talagang i-categorize ng mga techniques na yan May nagtanong sa akin on I had a debriefing right after the Kanayama training program.
Yes.
So it was actually held online. So I'm so thankful with the UP Ceramic Studio na binigyan ako ng pagkakataon na to have my debriefing. So madami-dami, it's a talk. It's a clay talk actually. And one of the questions that I encountered is, ito yung tanong sa akin. Sabi niya,
parang Miss Universe lang.
Sabi paano mo paano mo i-categorize or ano ang tingin mo sa isang piece na reproduced from a slip cast if you can still say that as somewhat parang original or something like that. Kasi yun na magiging question kasi ni-reproduce mo siya. Okay. Now, ano ang sagot mo doon?
Magiging original siya if from the first mold, first design mo, yung first form, is original your idea. Kasi madaming ways
madami siyang pagdadaanan kasi proseso.
Imagination mo na lang talaga at creativity mo na lang talaga ang limitation mo when it comes to slip casting. Kasi even as a swirl, you can do slip casting with that kind of form. So, hindi ka pwedeng restricted lang sa bilog, sa kwadrado, sa triangle. Hindi ka pwedeng maging restrictive doon. So, kung kunyari, ang nakikita mo is pang out of this world. Kaya lang, kunyari, gusto mong gumawa ng solar system na itsura. It is possible.
It is possible sa clay at most especially clay.
Yeah. So, for example, nag-create ka ng something originally yours and you reproduce it, it is still yours. Kasi parehas din siya ng theory ng printmaking.
Yun po yung this is just my opinion. And let's not to be critical when it comes to basis of designs and styles. Kasi lahat po talaga ng pinanggagalingan yan is meron talagang, sa art kasi talaga, some of them are really came from a certain idea. So, at this timeline, you cannot really say na may original. Alam mo yun, parang it based from. Pero what makes it original is our fingerprint. Who made it?
Yes.
Who made it? And makikita po yan sa fingerprint. So, as for me, yan yung siguro magic of, not really magic ito yung value when we say that it is handmade. Than the machine.
Kahit slip casting, hawakan
mo siya, handmade kasi siya. So, ito yung naging parang when I'm doing the training program in Kanayama. So, iniisip ko, paano kung sasabihin na handmade to? Ikaw, so galing naman to sa molde. Doon ko naintindihan yung buong proseso po na kahit iisa ang molde niyan at umalis yan sa pinaka-cast niya. Sa cast niya po, may pagdadaanan pa po yan. Drying, trimming, pupunta siya sa glazing, bisque firing, at saka glaze firing. So, dun pa lang sa proseso na yon, hindi po yan magiging magkakapareho.
Iba.
Firing pa lang, iba na yan
Di ba naalala mo may isang design ng slip casting mold sa Kanayama? Pag ikaw ang nag-trim at ako yung nag-trim, magkaiba itsura eh.
Magkaiba. So yun pa lang, yun yung dun pumapasok na meron
Mm.
at meron talaga siyang identity.
Meron
Each
talaga.
piece, kahit nanggaling yan sa isang molde.
Oo.
So, yun yung pagkakaintindi ko doon. And when I was introduced to the world of ceramics, handmade
Oo,
ceramics.
handmade. Mm.
So, yun po ang kaibahan niya doon sa machine factory made na
Oo.
industrial talaga. Kaya, if you notice, tatanungin kasi sa atin bakit ang mahal. Kasi yun yung talagang pinut nating effort,
Yes.
love, and expertise. Even the time,
blood,
years that we,
tears, sadness.
Yung experience, yung years of experience na ginugol po namin sa pagkiking, I don't wanna say dalubhasa, or parang ganun
Di
din.
dalubhasa.
Para,
Para
mahon natin itong skills
Parang sa akin,
na to.
para masabi kong ceramicist ako. Yun. Parang yung pride ko bilang isang ceramic artist or ceramic potter is there, na I can proudly say it to the world na I am certified.
We were molded to that.
And
Ano,
at the same time,
individual.
bakit ganun yung price? Honestly, for me, slip casting is an investment, Alfred. I think so.
Oo naman.
Oo, kasi
I agree.
Kasi if not everyone is focused on being an artist. There are
Iba-iba
some
naman
na
ang
gusto
path.
maging businessman. And if you want to be a business-oriented ceramicist, it is okay and it is possible.
And that is okay.
Yeah, it is.
Ako kasi kapag meron ako na encounter na mga students na pag tinatanong ko sa
Oo.
kanila na what are your intentions? Why would you like to learn pottery? Kasi iba-ibang techniques yan. And please don't, ako, as for me, I don't want to give them na parang ang last resort niyan or yung talagang pagtutunguhan nila is, for the business or if it's really in a monetary form. Pero kasi that's life eh.
It is life.
Oo, yun yung talaga yung katotohanan na there are people that really want to learn for them to be as, or gusto nila maging part yun ng kabuhayan nila.
Ako, actually,
Oo.
you can use me as an example. The reason that I am so focused in slip casting while I was in Kanayama is because I know this wowould be my way for bread and butter and freedom of time for me to practice my artistic form.
Yeah, and there's nothing wrong with that.
Walang mali doon. Kasi, being an artist, you need funds.
Yeah.
And you need time.
Oo, yun ang,
Diba?
yun ang katotohanan.
So, anong mag-generate ng funds
Oo, hindi
ko?
tayo pwedeng art ng art.
That's true.
Oo, kailangan
Saan
natin
tayo
maging
papulutin?
practical. Oo, saan tayo pupulutin? Sorry.
Ako, you can use me as an example. You don't, I'll be proud to say na I'm using slip casting now, and maybe one of my future projects is to do production talaga. And I know what teaching them would lead to a different era of pottery. Kung lahat narunong mag-slip casting, it would be nice and exciting to see how creative this artist would be if they have funds and time to do what they want to do.
Yeah. Na in a very parang short period of time.
Of
Mabilis
course.
kasi ito eh.
Oo, mabilis
Mas mabilis
talaga.
po ito kaysa sa wheel throwing. Hand building is medyo
In just
matagal-tagal.
one day, we can produce 100 cups.
100 cups.
Oo.
So talagang for mass production siya.
That's true.
So, like what I've said, there's nothing wrong po kung ang ating intention or when we do some things or some creative output na ang ating intention is in a passionate way or you're using it as a passion or even for monetary siya. There's nothing wrong about that.
No,
Ang importante is we know why we are doing it.
Yes, that's true.
Yun naman ang importante.
Kasi kahit hindi ka naman mag-slip casting there are a lot of potters now that are accepting commission works for mass production for restaurants and for cafes. And hindi natin sila pwedeng i-condemn sa bagay na yon. Hindi nga lang slip casting ang gamitin, nasabi natin nagbibil sila. Pero if they learn slip casting, it would be easier for them. They will have more time.
Another options.
Oo.
Yeah. Na
They
mas
have more
ma-manage
time.
yung oras.
Oo, kasi kung
for-
repetition naman ang order sa'yo, this is acceptable na.
At saka ano naman to, it's also depends on preferences eh.
Oo.
Ano yung preference natin as an artist or even as a maker
That's true.
when we tap this kind of industry,
Oo.
right? So yun na nga, grabe yung usapan natin
Ang
yun.
bigat na naman
Ang
natin.
bigat na naman natin, baka mabash na naman tayo. Oh my God. So, pakita natin ano ba yung itsura ng molde.
Oo.
So, we have a sample
So,
here.
this is just a sample, pero mas may maraming sample pa.
Mm-mm.
So, this is a
Mm-mm.
two-piece
Two-piece
ceramic mold, plaster mold.
plaster mold.
Tapos, ang nag-produce na to is yung...
Ito is finished product na. Ito is may glaze na fire na.
Oo.
So, na-adjust po kasi talaga yung thickness niya.
Oo,
Depende
ina-adjust
sa
siya.
need mo or need
Oo.
ng
Ang
cliente mo.
original plan ko for this one is champagne glass.
O, diba?
So may two parts pa to. May bottom part pa pala talaga siya na hindi ko na masyado pinakita. Kasi yan pa lang,
Ay, mabigat yan.
that piece alone can be a flower vase already. So it could be a multi-purpose purpose na molde. Pwede mong gawing attachment, pwede mong gawing solo piece siya.
Yes.
So wala namang limitation si slip casting. So yun.
So ayun, tututunan niyo po ito during our slip casting workshop that will be held mid-July po.
Yes.
And ito po is nandun na sa ating website.
Oo, nasa
So
website
we can check all the details sa website natin, amtceramics.com. And yes po, ang atin pong slip casting workshop will be handled by me and Precious.
Yes.
So I can say that you're in good hands.
Oo.
When you're, joining the slip casting. As of the moment po, we are limited only for a few slots because this is a pilot workshop.
And it's very technical also.
Technical po siya. So ano na nga po yung ating requirement?
Oo.
Ayan. Dapat po is naka-experience na tayo ng even a basic wheel throwing or hand building to any pottery studios po here in the Philippines or even in Metro Manila.
Oo.
Para lang po ma-understand natin yung clay, easier for you to
para mas
also
madaling
explore.
mag-explain. Oo.
So, ayun. Ang slip casting po natin ay mag-run ng 3 days.
Yes.
So, we have 2 days for the mold making kasi may curing po to.
Parang drying time.
Drying time. Kasi hindi natin pwede siyang magamit right away.
Kaagad,
yes. Tapos po, our third naman po is the preparation of slip.
Yes.
Kung paano siya i-apply, tapos trimming natin, at saka paano na in preparation po for drying.
Oo, tapos ang ituturo natin, Alfred, ay hindi lang yung mold making, pati kung saan nila makukuha yung mga materials.
Mga supplies.
So, parang kunyari, after this training, on your own, you can start na.
Recommendations na parang, what are the best practices?
That's true.
Best practices.
Yan.
Sorry naman. Best practices po ng slip casting. So, magkaiba rin po kami ng timeline when we learned slip casting. So, you'll definitely learn a lot of, ways of handling it kay Precious at saka sa akin. So, tandem po kami dito ni Precious and we hope na mapasa namin itong natutunan namin sa inyo.
Oo, masaya akong i-share yan.
Ako din.
Kasi excited ako niyan
At tagal na nagtatanong sa akin yan Alfred, kailan ka magkakaroon ng slip casting?
Kasi it would be a revolution for the pottery industry after a lot of students learn from kasi imagine kung lahat marunong na mag-slip casting. Ang mga pop-up store, ang dami na.
Yes! Na-imagine mo yun.
Creativity na lang talaga. Creativity na lang talaga
ang
ang labanan nito. Like, how creative can you be? Yun na talaga. So, I'm very excited for the industry of pottery in the Philippines.
In the next few years.
Maybe in just few months, tignan natin sa development ng mga students.
At saka po, ang dami na kasi talaga ng mga pop-ups ngayon, art fairs, catering ceramics.
That's true.
And yun. And we'll be happy to share that for you. But before, of course, we end it, this will be at Banayad Festival 2026. So, this is our 6th stop po
sa
Pottery Caravan as part of the Kabahagi PKH, which is our pottery advocacy, which is the pottery awareness. And we'll be doing the collaboration with Anya Happy Trails.
Oo.
So, this will be po June 26, 27, and 28. So, you can just check it out from our website if you would like to join the
Yes.
workshop there sa campsite po natin,
Oo.
which is at the Hamptons
Taray.
sa
Oh.
Caliraya, Cavinti,
Mm.
Laguna.
Mm-mm.
So, it's gonna be our 6th stop. So, ayun, details po, if you still want to join with this, festival, it's a camping festival,
Yes.
you can go to Banayad Festival 2026 sa Facebook page or Banayad Adventures. Makikita niyo po doon yung sign up form. And they're
Wow.
still open. So, ayun. Yep. And we'll see you there po sa ating camping festival for our Pottery Caravan South Luzon 6 stop. Oh my God, 6 stop kami.
Diyos ko, hindi ka na na-stop.
Ay, ganun talaga eh, sir. Hindi tayo magsastop. Ako
Wow.
kasi naniniwala, it's a joke, pero ang learning kasi never stops.
That's true. Hindi
Ang learning
talaga.
hindi nagsistop.
Minsan nga sa mga students din, matututo ka eh.
And I also consider myself always as a student.
That's true. Oo.
Kasi pag nawala na yun sa mindset
yung
natin,
curiosity, mawala na.
growth stops there.
Yeah.
Even hope
That's
in life.
true.
Wow!
Ang lalim mo.
May mga ganun. Yes.
Mababash ka na naman.
Uy, wag tayo ganyan. support
Kasi
lang.
malalim
Support lang.
Ay,
So anyway, so
Oh.
anything else that you would like to add up to
Wala
our slipcasting?
naman. Mukhang nasabi ko na lahat ng gusto kong sabihin.
Oo, yung mga batuhan natin.
Oo,
no?
oo.
So,
Yeah.
ayun po. So, again, if you'd like to know more about the slipcasting,
Yes.
please join us on our mid-year 2026 potty workshop essentials, and slipcasting is one of them. And we have also advanced workshop po for hand building.
Yes.
That is happening na starting this June.
Uy,
so just
maganda
visit
rin yun.
the website.
Maganda
By the
rin
way,
yun.
Precious po is part of our lineups for our advanced
Oo.
instructors, and you'll be meeting more.
Oo.
So,
This is my forte kasi ako ay sculpture major talaga sa UP. So, talagang ito ang aking hand building forte ko talaga.
So, ayun po. Ang atin po mga instructors for our advanced workshop po sa AMT Ceramics are all practicing artists.
Yes.
At saka ceramic artists.
Yes.
Potters.
Oh,
So
exciting.
you really learn from, lists of our instructors in the next few months and in the next workshops.
Oo,
for the
maganda
AMT
yun.
Ceramics.
Kasi yung techniques and skills makukuha
Yes.
nila. And then you can start developing your own from
Your own
there.
too. Ganun
Oo.
lang naman siya eh.
So
Sharing
for
lang
me
tayo.
lang, last one lang, if for more example of slipcasting, you can check my Instagram.
Yes.
Kasi
please.
I post all my slipcasting experimentations there. So you can see that I use slipcasting as a form of artwork, not only for mass production. Kasi may mga sculptures ako na nag-umpisa sa slipcasting. So makikita nila yung mga sample doon.
Or even your journey. Nung
Oo.
nasa China,
Karayara.
sa Japan.
Oo, yung mga kabaliwan ko doon.
mga kabaliwan.
Madaming kabaliwan doon. Ganun talaga.
So, do you have any upcoming projects pa that you would like
Meron ako mga upcoming projects pero hindi pa siya concrete. So, hindi ko pa siya sure kung pwede ko siyang i-announce.
Andito naman ang
Oo.
ang podcast
Pero I'm
natin.
very
so we can discuss
excited
it in
for
the future.
this project kasi it is another upgrade, I think. Another episode for the industry of pottery. So, yun lang parating
So,
goal.
abangan niyo po.
Oo, yun lang naman ang parating, parang siguro calling ko na rin, Alfred. Alam ko calling mo to eh.
Yes, calling ko
Oo, na parang gusto namin mag-share ng mga nalaman namin sa Japan. And eventually, magkaroon din tayo dito sa Pilipinas. So, yung next project, maybe i-announce ko pag maayos na siya. So, but personally, as I've said, I am focusing more on production din for the slipcasting. So, talagang creativity na lang talaga ang labanan dito. And I'll be happy to teach everyone this project. And yun nga, meron nga nasabi sa akin na, are you not scared to create more competition?
Healthy
Ayun.
competition.
Sabi ko sa kanila, no, I'm happy to teach them, no? Ano ka ba? May challenge
Mas maganda
yan.
nga yung ganun kasi
Oo.
tumataas yung standards ng
Why
syllabus
not,
here in the
diba?
Philippines.
Kasi sa totoo lang,
Competition actually help us to
grow.
and to the
Kailangan
next
yun.
level. Dapat lang is
Oo.
healthy competition.
Oo, healthy. It's talaga tinanong ako, hindi ka pa, pag nagturo ka, madami nang gagawa ng technique.
That's
Ano
okay.
naman?
Ganun naman talaga eh.
Yun nga yung, paano
Yun yung
tayo,
growth ng lahat
lalago?
kung ikikip natin, di ba?
Oo, kasi sabay-sabay tayo dapat tumaas.
Yes,
Yan,
correct.
kasi yun.
So, ayun na nga.
Mm-mm.
So, let's support artists.
Oo.
Artists alike. Artists at
Yes.
heart. So, I think,
Start
Alam-
artist.
yeah. alam naman po natin kung ano na nangyayari sa mundo natin at sa
Oo.
bansa natin.
So,
And I
ikli ng
think,
buhay.
yeah, and it's gonna be coming from us
Mm-mm.
to change something. Not really to change, to make a difference.
That's true.
Yun naman lang naman kailangan natin. Tulungan lang
Oo.
tayo, be open-minded, and let's support each other.
Let's support talaga. Yun. Teach each other din, no?
Yeah.
Magturuan
Sharing
tayo.
the learnings. So, ayun. So, alright, we'll be ending
Of course, let's
our
go.
episode here. So,
Dami
ang
pa natin
ating...
gustong sabihin.
True. Inabo na ako.
Yun tayo.
Ayun, ang ating pong putik yan, Season 2, Episode 6 ay magiging 2 parts. So,
Mm-mm.
please watch out for our episode for Anya Happy Trace for the Banayad Festival 2026 and our slip casting workshop for Precious. So, just watch out po for our episode to be posted at our Instagram, our YouTube, and our Spotify
Oo.
anytime soon.
Yes.
So, ano?
Ano?
Babay na tayo.
Babay
So,
na tayo.
again, the host for today, I'm AM Trajeco.
I am Precious Pareño.
And thank you for watching.
Tulig yan.
Yay! Tapos